Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Is one or more of your igniters on your stove or gas worktop not working correctly and not lighting? You can hear gas coming through, but there's no ignition. But on others, the flame works straight away. Then you may have a problem with one of three things. You have an ignition system, which I'll be explaining in this video, which is a spark generator, and then you have spark electrodes. Sometimes these can get damaged due to the fact that you've been cleaning the appliance. The first thing you want to establish that the gas does light and stay lit. Using a lighter, I'm able to light this and it stays lit. But when I turn it off and turn it back on again, it will not light and I can hear gas coming through. I will show you how to diagnose all the problems with this ignition system. The first thing you need to understand is what a good spark looks like. A good spark should look like this. And because a good spark is jumping from the electrode tip to the cap, it is igniting the gas like this. This is a good ignition system. The spark travels from the spark generator after you press one of the buttons down to actually light it. But if a spark is not taking place at the correct location, therefore the gas will not light. Common problems that can occur is your burner head or burner cap may be dirty and it needs cleaning because electricity will need a positive and negative to create the spark. If these items are dirty, one of the electrical fields may not be arriving at the correct location for the spark to be achieved. You also want to make sure that all the passages on the head are very clean so the gas flows through to the correct location. The next problem that can occur is actually the gas spark electrode can be damaged because a lot of people clean these items and sometimes these electrodes can get damaged and they're made of porcelain sometimes and this can actually get fractured. And as you can see on the screen here, the spark is jumping across to the actual body of the actual burner instead of going across to the actual cap. Therefore, the spark is being generated in the wrong location and not igniting. Other occurrences that would mean stripping down the appliance would mean that the lead going through to the electrode could be damaged in some way and chaffed or the insulation failing and be shorting. You can see here clearly the actual the lead from the actual spark generator is resting next to a pipe and is shorting across and creating a spark on the pipe, meaning the spark never actually arrives at the tip. Also, bad connections on the actual system going from the spark generator can cause problems. If they're not well insulated, the spark will always jump to the closest point to earth, meaning that we have no spark here at all being generated. But on the forward one, we've got a spark which ignites straight away. These are just some of the common problems that can occur. I've also actually put a link in the description below to a full video on how to actually diagnose all problems and take one of these gas hobs or cookertops apart. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to buy the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always click on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks again for watching.